Hear that? Well, that is all what I heard until last week. My ears were buzzing a lot. There was a constant ringing noise in my ears. It was so irritating that I could not sleep for days, and I started experiencing severe headaches that lasted for hours. My friend told me I might have been suffering from tinnitus, and how it was robbing me from my peace of life. He wasn't wrong. Top scientists from the University of Cambridge made a shocking discovery while researching a little-known area of the brain. They came out with a simple 10-second technique that you can start using tonight, which is now clinically proven to restore your hearing back to normal, regardless of your age or current condition. The results this product provides is unlike any other and brings back your peace. No more emotional distress, anxiety, and depression caused by the constant noise and the impact it has on the quality of life. However, I couldn't find the right help, and the ENT doctor that I knew said he could not figure out what really the problem was. My ears felt like a burden, and I was always in a bad mood because of it. Until my wife came across an ad on Facebook that helps cure tinnitus completely. She forced me to give it a try, and honestly, I am glad I did. This product has been a lifesaver for me, really. I am so relieved with the benefits of their 10-second technique. I can finally listen to my favorite music, talk to my family, and experience the beautiful sounds around me without being irritated or having a humming sound in the back of my head all day long. If you or someone you know is battling tinnitus, don't wait. Click here to discover this groundbreaking 10-second brain ritual and save yourself with the trouble. Experience the transformation and take the first step towards a tinnitus-free life.